This is Code.org. I'm currently working on CS Discovery's Unit 4, the design process, Lesson 13, linking screens, Part 14, linking screens. With all your screens in place, you can start adding events that will change the screen. When you're done with this step, you'll actually have an interactive prototype. Woohoo! So, for an example, I've put a few of my screens in. For each screen on your app, find all the button IDs. For each button, add an event handler that watches that ID. In the event handler, use set screen to move to the right screen, test it out. Depending on the number of screens and buttons your app has, this can be a pretty involved process. Make sure you test your work often using console log blocks to debug any strange behavior in your app. When you think you've got the whole thing working, compare your app with other members of your group, see if they work the same. Alright, so I just loaded in two of my screens, for example. Alright, I have my location error screen and then my home screen. Now what we need is our onEvent block, so I'm going to grab that and drop it here. What we need to tell it is what is this event tied to. It's going to be tied, what is this watching? Well, I want it to watch my search button. So the ID for that, and it says right here, ID search, and we can always change it in the design part of the workspace, right? Right here, I can change that ID if I want. So my search button is home search something something. Home search button. That's the ID. And then what behavior do I want to watch for? Click. So what this says is, hey computer, anytime home search button is clicked, run this function. And it will only run when this behavior is done. The computer's watching my home search button for a click. So what do I want it to do? Well, when the user clicks on that, I want to change the screen. So I would grab a set screen. And what screen do I want to change it to? Location error. And again, this is just an example screen. I probably would want to do some other screen, but regardless, location error. Maybe they forgot to enter their location here when they hit search. So if I hit run now, it should, but go back doesn't work. Well, we don't have an event handler for it. So let's reset. Let's go to location error screen. I'm going to grab on event. And then what ID? This button's called loc button. So I need that ID. I want to watch loc button for a click. And what do I want to do then? Well, when they hit go back, I'm going to grab set screen. What screen? I want to go to the home screen when they click back. And now we have some working buttons. And you can do a whole lot more with this type of stuff. Obviously, you might want to play around with it a bit. Did they give a challenge? Not yet. Also, though, let me show you console log. So maybe you just want to know, hey, did this function run? Did it see me click the home button? Click home, exclamation point. And back button on location clicked, or whatever you want. Bah. So let's hit reset and run. And the console should pop up here. You can make it go away or come back. And then you can kind of debug and see if things are working. Hurrah! But ta-da! Working app. I hope yours is super awesome. If you want, you should hit remix and go ahead and share it in a comment below. Alright, onward!